Hi, my name is Deb Martin and I work at Bicentennial Trail Daycare and in the senior room. Today I brought with me my barn and I brought some farm animals, and I thought maybe that we could play today. So if you have farm animals, you could go and grab some of them and you could play with me. I'm gonna open my barn up, and my barn is red and the roof is white, and inside I have some stalls in here, and there's a fence to close the stalls. So we'll open them up and we'll put some farm animals inside, and as we're putting them in, maybe we could sing Old MacDonald had a farm. Does anybody know that song? If you do, then maybe you could sing along with me. And first, I'm going to find this animal. Does anybody know what this animal is? You're right, this is a horsey. And this horsey's noise he makes is neigh-neigh. So we're gonna sing Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he had a horse, E-I-E-I-O, with a neigh-neigh here and a neigh-neigh there, here neigh, everywhere neigh-neigh, Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And we're gonna take the horsey and we're gonna put him, I think, in the first stall. And we'll close the gate so he won't be able to get out on us. And what do you think? What else do you think we could put in here? Maybe I could bring this animal out, and he's white and he has black. Can you guess? Are you really thinking hard? Might be a hard one. It's a cow. Did you guess right? I brought a cow so we can sing with him too. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O, with a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there, here moo, there moo, everywhere moo-moo, Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And we can put the cow in the next stall beside the horse. We'll close the gate so he can't get out. I'm gonna turn this a little bit more so you'll be able to see over there. Next, we need to find something to go in this gate. What do you think we could find? You know what I found? I found some hay. And you know, cows, they like to eat hay. So maybe we could give the cow some hay to munch on while he's in his gate. So we'll just set it there for him to eat. And we still need to find something for that other gate. What do you think? I think this one. And this one too is white. And it has gray face. And this one is a sheep. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he had a sheep, E-I-E-I-O, with a ba-ba here and a ba-ba there, here ba, there everywhere, everywhere, old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And we can put the sheep in this gate. And we'll close it up so our sheep can't get away. And on my farm, there's something else that I just noticed. We have a nest up top on this side. What do you think could go in that nest? I'm kind of wondering if a chicken would like to go in there. Do you think a chicken would go in that nest? Let's see if we have a chicken. Oh, guess what? I do have a chicken, and she has little babies with her, baby chicks. Here's our chicken, and we're gonna put her in there after we sing the song. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he had a chicken, E-I-E-I-O, and some chicks, with a chick here and chick there, here chick, there chick, everywhere chick. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and we're gonna put her in the nest. I think she fits right in there with her baby chicks. And also, what we need on the farm, we need a tractor. We forgot all about a tractor. And you know who drives the tractor and who's on the farm? Is the farmer. So we have old MacDonald on his tractor, and he is on this farm. Maybe we could give him a wagon too. All farmers have tractors and wagons, and we should give him some stuff to put in his wagon. And we'll say he went out to the pumpkin patch and he picked some pumpkins on his farm. And I think that's all that I have for today. I hope you liked my little playtime we had today. I hope everybody's staying safe, staying healthy. Bye.